So ito muna yung sparring mga boss. Itong Pinoy na ito mga boss ay may laban talaga ito ngayong araw na ito. Sana'y kakalaban niya ang boksingero ng bansang Australia na si Vegas Larfield. Ang Pinoy pala nito mga boss ay ating pambato sa Super Bantamweight Division na si Joubert Buhat. Galing itong Bacoor, Cavite. May kartadang siyam na panalo, walang bahid ng talo at 6 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Meron itong 66.67 na knockout win ratio. Top number 4 na boksingero sa Super Bantamweight Division dito sa Pilipinas. Samantalang itong kalaban mga bossing ay na si Vegas Larfield ay top number 3 sa Featherweight Division sa bansang Australia. Kumbaga galing pala ito mga boss sa mas mabigat na timbang. Kumbaga, tas ano pa, napaka-agresibo ng kalaban na ito mga bossing. Ito kung makikita niyo yung highlights na ito. Matibay, may taglay na tibay din mga boss. Talagang dikitan kung makipag masagan talaga ng mukha. Usay din ang depensa niya mga bossing.
Skill, toughness, heart, everything. They're showing everything you need to know for a great fight. That's what boxing's all about.
Infighting in this neutral corner that has become their home. Vegas Larfield just goes to work. He's trying to force Will Sulos to make a decision. Our referee, who says, "Show me something," but gee, Nolan is throwing plenty back. There's one, and there's another. Nolan gets the crowd going again. 1, 2, and 3. Now, what's Larfield got left after the onslaught that he produced in the early stages of this round? Because Nolan, he looks to have plenty.
Unbelievable. Will Sulos asked for something. He's shown him something all right. He's shown him more than we thought he had, that's for sure.
1, 2, 3, and 4 from Vegas Larfield, but Nolan just picks shots and picks him with power. And now he finds his way into a different corner. And he...
Tama kito sa pan, makikito ara.
Ito ang highlights ng ating kababayan mga boss. Yan, napakatindi. May taglay na lakas ang ating pambato nito mga boss.
Oops! Patay ka! Ipong na to ba? Wala na to. Higit pa dito. Gana. Para. Nice. Barak man, barak sa manoy. Bahay mo na. Kuara na, kulata na. Ganda ng laban. Matirang matibay.
Ang itong si Joubert pala mga bossing, ito nga naka kulay blue yung ano niya. Kulay blue na sapatos.
Bago gamit sa putlok niya. Sa atras pa. Hoy! Bali wala na. Suga pa isa.
Grabe, tumakbo talaga yung kalaban. Lihod. Ay, ano daw. Tulas lang daw mga boss.
Joubert Buhat versus Yoben. 17. Grabe. Lana ni. Oy! Balik to rin.
Sana bagsak na yun. Hindi na pwedeng wala pa rin knockdown yun mga boss.
Isumpag likod.
Busa ng kasalingan.
Busa na to. Yan. Grabe. Mula number 1 na round 1 hanggang round 3 ang bakbakan dito hanggang sa round 4 na to.
This is the fourth round.
Grabe ang ganda ng laban. Yan. Kung saan ang hininga. Ay, ikaw lang pull up jab lang. Ayun! Grabe. Yari na yun. Uy, ito ara. Pili to. Pili ko. Uy, yun na. Tumakbo na. Tumakbo na. Wana.
Tapos na lang, anak ko, parang masinit ba?
Okay, luwa tulod. Opo, opo na.
Goes 1 and 2 to Nolan. Larfield over the top. Misses a hook from Albert Nolan. Right hand falls short from Nolan. Larfield goes to the body. Inside the final minute of round 5. Two goes. Larfield as Nolan just backs away into yet another corner and welcomes the battle and turns around the left hands. Nolan. Oh, 1-2 goes Larfield. And there's a right hand from Nolan. A right hand from Larfield. Uppercut from Nolan. And this is an all-out war between Vegas Larfield and Albert Nolan. What has been a supreme round of action. Nolan, Larfield comes back with that left hand. 1 and 2 from Nolan. What a round this has been here on Fox Sports between Vegas Larfield and Albert Nolan. And this might be the best one yet. Vegas Larfield and Albert Nolan have been trading in an absolute war. Larfield with the rat's tail. He is an outstanding young boxer, 9-0. Nolan from Gunnedah has surprised plenty. There is blood absolutely everywhere, and it's been a memorable battle